So hello everybody, I am in our new house. We are doing a finished tour. This is our first staircase, which is by the front door. This is our foyer. You can see up there, that's the foyer. And then this is the office. Oh yeah. So this is the office. Powder room is in there. This is actually a utility closet, well, not a utility closet, an extra linen closet. We have a lot of linen closets. Yeah, this house has a lot of closets, so linen closet. And then we have over here is a coat closet, which is really, really good. And it goes all the way back there too. So, yeah, coat closet. Okay, and we have two entrances. That is to the great room. This is to the dining room and to our first patio. So let's go into the dining room. This is the dining room, and that's the door to our first patio there. So we'll put a hutch over there, I think. Something nice or a big plant. And then that's to the kitchen, but we're not going to go there yet. So we're going to go back around to the other entrance, which is the great room there. And then this hallway is to a extra bedroom, which I'm going to be using for probably a filming room. And then here is I'm going to get a bench for our little coats and stuff like that here, and shoes and stuff. And then this is the laundry room. So this is one room. So we got washer and dryer is going to go here. I don't know what I'm going to put there. Maybe some shelving or something. I don't know yet. But that's what's going to go there. And then another linen closet. Like I said, we have a lot of closets in this house. So that's about plenty of towels and stuff. And the bedroom down here, which would normally be a guest bedroom, but like I said, I'm going to use it for a filming room. And then this is our bathroom, because this has a bathroom with it. So this is our bathroom here. And we have nice wood tile floors, which I like. And big walk-in closet. Well, comparable, not real, like huge, big, but so that's going to be probably a filming room / guest room. Alrighty, and then we go into the great room. And this is the great room here. See the fireplace? And then we're going to have our second deck over here. And then this is our kitchen, right off the great room. So we just got to get our refrigerator put in when they put in the washer and dryer. I already have those picked out. And we have lots of windows, as you can see. They go all around the whole house, lots of lighting, which is great here. And that's our fireplace. And that's our deck. We only have a little concrete slab there, like steps or whatever, but we're going to have it expanded out. So, and then of course down there is the basement, which is not finished. And this is our second staircase that goes off of the great room. So we're going to go up this way. It's nice and clean. Alrighty, so over here would be, this is a loft sitting area. We're going to probably put like a little sofa and some books and stuff here, because Chad likes to read. So we'll have that. And he can just look off down, stairs, whatever. Here is the Jack and Jill bathroom, which is where. And this is Jack and Jill bathroom. And up here, as you can see, we're going to get our own light fixtures. They used to put them in, but people always changed them. So now they let you choose your own light fixtures, which I like better because we got some better ones picked out. And then that's the other bathroom. And then this is one bedroom off of the Jack and Jill here. And this one also has a good sized closet. One thing I like with these houses, they all have a good sized closets. And then here's the other linen closet for up here. And then here's the other bedroom And this one also has a good size closet. And this one's actually bigger. So, okay, and then down the hallway. So that's those. Turn off that light so I can see the energy. Now going down this hallway. So those 3 bedrooms I showed you guys, 2 up here and then 1 downstairs. Now we're going to go, so here's the great room staircase, and then around here is where I came in at. This is the staircase going toward the front door. Yeah. And then this is our water heater closet, where the water heater is. And then this is our room. We have the French doors. Let me open the doors. Oops. Okay. So we have a double-sided fireplace in our bedroom right here. And then we have a sitting area, which we're going to put a sofa and a love seat or something like that here, or just a sofa and a chair. And then this closet is a spare closet that I'll be using for like my stuff over here. And I'm going to put a nice table or something there, decorate it. And then over here is the bedroom where our furniture is going to go, the bed and everything else. And as you can see, our fireplace is double-sided. So then our bathroom is over here, which I love our floor. Everything is matching. And I like it's not really white, it's kind of like a cream, like an off-white or eggshell white. I like it because it makes the room look brighter and bigger. So, and up there, once again, we're going to put our own light fixtures up. And then we have a frameless shower, but the tub is in the shower, which this is an upgraded bathroom, which we really like. So that's the tub, which is inside of the shower. And then we got the 2 double shower heads over here. But once again, it's all frameless. So, and then the door is here. You just open and hop in. And then this is our closet. Let me open it. So we have a big 2-sided closet. So Chad's side's over here, and then my side's over here, and then I'll have the other closet on the other side for my extra stuff, probably for like shoes and stuff like that. But yeah. So that's one side, and then that's the other side. And then of course the closet also has French doors. So that is a tour of the house. The basement's not done, so it's just an empty basement. So pretty sure y'all don't want to see empty basement, but that is the tour of the house. And yeah, thank you guys for touring with me.